And something different for retro stuff, but I'm fixing a old Tamagotchi. This one, the display is not working and the buttons aren't working. So I've just finished opening it up and I'm going to give it a clean. A couple of squirts of the old isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip. On the buttons and contacts, just to get some of the muck off. And on these contacts here, the way these work is these edge connectors tap on these edge connectors, and that does the dot matrix screen. So the dot matrix screen was only working in part. These are the carbon pads that touch these buttons. So these get dirty as well, so if you give them a little just a rub to get the muck off. To be fair, this one is not looking too bad, but it's worthwhile to clean all the holes. Okay, and everything else looks all right. Give these just a rub to clean the contacts on here and on here as well. Right, we'll put that back together and have a look, see if it works. To prove how mucky it is, you can see on the end of this, it looks lovely. But that's looking shiny and new. Ooh, let's see if we can focus there, but cool. So yeah, see on the end of that, all the muck. This one's marked SYGO20H. Typical Tamagotchi clone. Looking at the date code, about 2004, I think it says on the back. Have a look. Yes. 9th of the 3rd, 2004. Right, let's get some gap back together then. Just screwing it back together this side now, and then we'll get that reset button put back on the top and the back turned on and some batteries in it. A couple of batteries going in. Batteries are in. Let's have a reset. Let's see if it works. Yay! It's alive. Another job well done. See you in the next one.